Do you want to know what goes into your customers' minds as they interact with your brand? Every interaction, starting from discovery to post-purchase support, shapes how your customers see your business. But how can you make sense of this journey? Here's where customer journey mapping comes in. In this video, I'll cover what is customer journey mapping, what are its benefits, how to create one, how to measure customer satisfaction, and what are the best tools to measure it all. So stay tuned, let's get into it. What exactly is customer journey mapping? Customer journey mapping is a strategical tool to understand and improve customer experience. It's a tool that allows businesses to see their brand from their customer's perspective. Here are key benefits of customer journey mapping. Firstly, identifying pain points. Mapping the customer journey can help you identify potential pain points and frustrations customer experienced at different touchpoints. Once you identify pain points, you can develop strategies to resolve them and improve the overall customer experience. Next one is optimizing touchpoints. Customer journey mapping helps identify and optimize all the touchpoints within the customer journey. This includes a website check process, long wait time for customer service, or lack of product information. This ensures a seamless and positive experience for your customers. It allows you to personalize the experience. Tailor marketing messages, product recommendations, and website content should be tailored to customers' needs. Another key benefit is employee empowerment. Your employees are your brand ambassadors, and they play a crucial role in shaping the customer experience. Motivating employees ensures that they can deliver what your business promises with exceptional service. Words are important to create a culture that prioritizes customer experience. Another key benefit is feedback loops. Regulating feedback mechanisms enable businesses to always capture insights and data into customer satisfaction. This feedback must be analyzed and communicated to the team, and the actions must be taken to create a seamless customer experience. Here are 5 steps to create a customer journey map. Step 1. Define objectives and buyer persona. Set clear goals and conduct market research to understand competitors and target audience demographics, needs, goals, and challenges. Step 2. Identify journey stages. Define key stages of the customer journey, including discovery, consideration, purchase, delivery, post-purchase support, and loyalty. Step 3. Map touchpoints. Identify all customers' touchpoints across various channels such as websites, social media, marketing materials, email, customer service, and physical stores. Step 4. Define customer emotions. Understanding customer emotions through satisfaction surveys can tailor solutions and improve the overall customer journey. Step 5. Identify pain points and opportunities. Analyze the customer journey map to identify pain points and areas for improvement, seizing opportunities to enhance the overall experience. Here's how you can measure customer experience. Why is customer experience so important? A positive experience can lead to customer loyalty and advocacy, while a negative one can drive customers away. A great customer experience can result in increased customer loyalty, high customer lifetime value, reduced churn, brand differentiation, and improved customer acquisition. Tools like Formaloo can help you measure customer experience super easily. Here's what you can measure. Customer Satisfaction Score, also known as CSAT. This measures satisfaction across interactions and touchpoints, often rated on a scale or using emojis to quantify qualitative feedback. And here's how you can create a CSAT score with Formaloo. Net Promoter Score, also known as NPS. This measures customer loyalty and likelihood of recommending products and services categorized into promoters, passives, and detractors based on 0 to 10 scale. And here is the link for how to create an NPS score with Formaloo. Customer Effort Score. This evaluates ease of completing tasks or resolving issues, assessed on a scale from very easy to very difficult. Last but not least, you have customer lifetime value. This estimates total revenue generated by customer over the relationship with brand, calculated using formulas based on customer value, purchase frequency, and lifespan. Check out our link in video description for question ideas. Businesses that keep themselves up to date with recent trends survive longer and successfully beat their competitors. Here are some tools that must be considered to have for an enhanced customer experience. AI-powered chatbots. They provide a 24/7 real-time customer support, reducing workload on support teams and improving response times. And if you want to create your own chatbot with no coding skills at all, here's a video on how you can do that with Formaloo. Next is having customer relationship management, also known as CRM. It's essential for managing customer data, tracking interactions, and improving customer service, sales, and retention. Another important feature is customer experience management, also known as CXM. It focuses on customer engagement, satisfaction, and experience, which aids to collecting feedback and improving these touch points. And last but not least, customer feedback and survey tools. These enable businesses to collect feedback through surveys, polls, and forms. It helps it measure and enhance customer experience. Whether you want to create the surveys from scratch or from already pre-made templates, Formaloo has got you covered. With Formaloo's user-friendly interface, it's super easy to design surveys and forms that will help your business succeed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Formaloo for more tips on building better customer experiences. See you next time and happy Formalooing!